Guys, today I'm going to show you how to install ClassiCube on a Chromebook. Firstly, make sure you have Linux enabled on your Chromebook. If you don't, the video will be linked in the description. And then after you enable Linux, it's command time. Okay, so what you want to do is type in terminal. Okay, so what you want to do is copy the first code. Hit Control-C to copy, and then hit Control-V to paste inside the terminal, and then hit Enter. Okay, so now what we will do is install a menu editor to always launch ClassiCube. Well, I already have it installed. And now what we will do is launch ClassiCube. Okay, so as you can see here, so now what you want to do is close ClassiCube. What you want to do is copy the last code. Okay, so what you want to do is click Games, and then press New Item, and then type in ClassiCube, and then press OK, and then now we will click this, and then save the launcher. Okay, so now you can close the terminal and the document for now, and then go on your launcher, and then you will see ClassiCube on your Chromebook, and now we will launch the application. And that's it for today. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.